Ever thought about transforming a shipping container into a cozy, stylish home? In today's video, we're diving into the world of container house design, where industrial meets modern comfort. Let's explore how you can make this unique housing style your own. Container houses, made from repurposed shipping containers, are becoming a popular trend in home design. These houses are affordable, eco-friendly, and offer endless design possibilities. Whether you're dreaming of a tiny house, a luxurious villa, or something in between, container homes are a unique choice for those looking to live sustainably and stylishly. One of the top reasons people are drawn to container homes is their eco-friendly and budget-conscious appeal. Reusing containers minimizes waste, giving new life to materials that would otherwise sit unused. Plus, container homes are usually more affordable to build compared to traditional homes, making them a great choice if you're working with a budget but don't want to compromise on design. Designing a container house is all about maximizing limited space while keeping things comfortable and functional. Start with a layout that works for you. Containers are versatile, so you can stack or arrange them to create different rooms and spaces. For interiors, go with light colors and multi-purpose furniture to make small areas feel open and inviting. Don't forget to add personal touches like cozy decor, plants, and unique lighting to make the space feel like home. The exterior of your container house can be just as exciting as the inside. Many people add elements like wood cladding, green roofs, or outdoor decks to give their homes a unique look. You can paint your container in bright or earthy tones to complement the surroundings, or add large windows and sliding doors to create a seamless flow between indoors and outdoors. Building a container house is more than just creating a unique living space. It's a lifestyle choice that embraces sustainability and innovation. With a little creativity and planning, a container can become a comfortable, stylish, and eco-friendly home tailored to your taste. If you found this video inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe to Aesthetic Spaces for more design ideas, and let us know in the comments, would you live in a container home?